Creating multiple candidate pools on Top Echelon is a great way to streamline your hiring process and ensure you're always prepared for the next best fit. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to do it, whether you're new to the software or just looking to sharpen your skills. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create organized pools of candidates, track their progress, and save time on your recruiting efforts. First off, Top Echelon offers a simple yet powerful system for managing candidate pools. To create a candidate pool, start by navigating to the Candidates section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to create new pools, which is key to organizing your candidates. Pools are essential for keeping your candidate list segmented by role, skill, or even location, ensuring that you can quickly access the best candidates for each specific need. Once you're in the candidate pool creation area, you'll want to assign a clear and descriptive name to the pool. This is essential for keeping your workflow organized. You can create pools for any job position, specific skills, or even ongoing projects you're working on. The key here is to stay organized from the start, so you'll have a reference point for future searches. Next, it's time to start adding candidates to the pool. If you already have candidates in your system, simply select the ones you want and add them directly to your new pool. If you're starting fresh, Top Echelon makes it easy to add new candidates manually or through integrated job boards and referral programs. You can also import candidates directly from emails or resumes, streamlining the process. You might want to customize the criteria for adding candidates to pools. Top Echelon allows you to set filters based on experience, location, or skill set, which makes your candidate search more efficient. Think about the types of roles you're recruiting for and set up pools that fit those needs. Once your candidate pools are set up, you can start tracking progress with each candidate. Top Echelon offers a robust system for monitoring where each candidate is in the hiring process. You can mark stages like initial contact, interview, offer, or even rejection, so you can quickly get an overview of each candidate's status. One of the great things about Top Echelon is that it offers collaboration tools. You can share your pools with team members, allowing you to collaborate on finding the right candidate. Plus, the system tracks all your activity, so you won't have to worry about losing track of important conversations or candidate history. Another benefit is the ability to easily update and adjust your candidate pools. If a candidate's status changes or you want to move them to another pool, Top Echelon allows for seamless transitions without losing any important data. This gives you flexibility as you progress through different stages of recruitment. Now, here's a pro tip. You can use Top Echelon's automation tools to help you manage your pools. Automating tasks like candidate follow-ups or notifying you when a candidate moves to the next stage can save you hours of work. This helps keep your workflow smooth and ensures you're always on top of your recruiting game. Remember, as a bonus, if you're looking to get started with Top Echelon, you can use this software for free through the exclusive link in the description below. That's right, you can dive into the world of efficient recruiting without any commitment. This extended free trial is only available through our link, and it gives you full access to all the features we've covered today and more. In conclusion, creating multiple candidate pools on Top Echelon is a game changer when it comes to streamlining your recruitment process. By setting up clear pools, customizing your filters, and taking advantage of the software's collaboration and automation tools, you'll be able to save time and make smarter hiring decisions. Be sure to check out the exclusive free trial by clicking the link below to get started.